James,
Yeah.
is it nice to get the tram from the station to the hotel,
Yeah.
James? Only when we go home we can get the tram back to the station.
Yeah, fine.
Hold tight, please.
Simone, that girl's had face painting. You see? If we can see face painting, do you want it? If they could make a nice tiger or something, Simone.
Stargate. Next
Oh.
stop, Central Pier.
I would like it done.
You right?
I'm holding it by the zipper.
Don't do that. So hold it by the handle, good boy.
Central Pier.
James, the funny noise, ding dong ding.
Ding dong.
Did you hear that, James? The funny noise, ding dong
Ding
ding.
dong. Ding dong.
Okay, we'll see. Let's see.
But then we missed the donuts.
We'll be back to the donut. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Boys and girls. James, do you like this tram, James?
Yeah.
James,
Yeah.
when we go home, do you want to get the taxi? Do you want to get the tram back to the train, James?
Hold tight, please.
What?
Do you want to get the tram back to the station when we go home, James?
No.
Taxi.
Press the stop button when you wish to exit the tram.
James, you like the lights, James?
This tram is for Stargate. Next stop,
Yeah.
Manchester Square.
Say to James, say, thank you for bringing me to the seaside, James. Speak up, Simone. Simone, speak up.
Thank you for bringing me to the seaside, James.
Yeah, come on.
Say, are you excited,
Are you
James?
excited, James?
Yeah.
Watch YouTube together later, James.